Today we're going to be building your paperback book. We're going to be learning how to embed fonts in your file. Have you ever had KDP come back to you and say you need to embed your fonts in your file? Well, what does that mean? That means embedding fonts ensures that your fonts print correctly during the manufacturing process. So that's why you have to have them embedded into the file. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to embed fonts in Word. First, you open your file in Word, and then you click File, Options at the bottom, and then you click Save, and then go down to the bottom where it says Embed Fonts in the File. Click on that. Make sure no other boxes are checked below that. Click OK. Save your file in Word. And that's basically how you embed fonts in Word. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.